Hello, foodies. Welcome back to our channel. As the leaves turn golden and the air gets crisp, it's time to embrace the flavors of fall with these delectable vegan recipes. We're here to make your autumn dining unforgettable. Wait, before we starting I introduce you Alpillion supplement weight loss in 7 days. Now let's dive into the video. We're indulging our sweet tooth with a vegan pumpkin pie. It's creamy, spiced to perfection, and oh so delicious. Ingredients: for this pumpkin pie, gather 1½ cups of pumpkin puree, half a cup of coconut milk, half a cup of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, a pinch of salt, 1 prepared vegan pie crust. Let's bake some pumpkin magic. Preparation: in a mixing bowl, whisk together the pumpkin puree, coconut milk, maple syrup, cornstarch, pumpkin pie spice, and a pinch of salt until it's smooth and well combined. Pour this luscious mixture into your prepared pie crust. Baking and cooling: bake your pumpkin pie at 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius for about 40 to 45 minutes or until it's set. Let it cool, and then refrigerate for a few hours to chill. Your dessert is ready to impress. In this video, we've shared valuable insights and practical tips to kickstart your journey towards a healthier you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your life. Click the link now and take the first step towards a happier, healthier, and more confident you. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss a scrumptious recipe like this one.